Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see about the Cloud Data Lab. Cloud Data Lab use Cloud Data Lab to easily explore, visualize, analyze and transform data using familiar languages such as Python and SQL interactively. Pre-installed Jupyter introductory sample and tutorial notebooks shows us how to access, analyze, monitor and visualize data. Use notebooks with Python, TensorFlow machine learning and Google Analytics, Google BigQuery and Google Charts application programming interfaces. It was given in the Google documentation, the concept. So in another term about the Cloud Data Lab. So Cloud Data Lab, which is an interactive data analysis and machine learning environment designed for Google Cloud for data exploration, analysis, visualization and machine learning. Cloud Data Lab uses notebooks instead of text files containing code. Notebooks bring together code, documentation written in Markdown, and the results of code execution, whether as text, image, or HTML or JavaScript, like a code editor or IDE. Notebooks allows us to execute code in an interactive and iterative manner, rendering the results alongside the code. When we share a notebook with team members, we can include code, markdown formatted documentation and results that include interactive charts to provide them with context that goes beyond what Python or SQL code files alone can provide. With Cloud Data Lab, we will be able to analyze our data and BigQuery, cloud machine learning engine, compute engine, and cloud storage using Python, SQL, and JavaScript. In this demo, we are going to see by using the commands, we are going to create a data lab instance, we are going to create a new notebook, and finally we are going to use Git for source control. Let me open the Google Cloud Console. So this is the Google Cloud Console, this is the dashboard. So now I am going to click this activate cloud shell. First step we are going to do, we are going to create a data lab instance by using the commands. So this is the quick lab I have opened. Let me copy the commands. We need to enter the following command to create the database instance, my data lab. So just copy here and go to that cloud shell. Just enter this command, data lab create, just enlarging for you. So now I am going to enter that and I have entered this data lab create my data lab command, and we need to specify a zone from one of these. So just I am giving 8, US central 1, A I am giving, right? It is coming like this. That's okay. Just I have given like this, US central selected zone is 8 I have given. So US central 1 hyphen A. The instance will be created in that zone. The data lab instance will be created in US central 1 hyphen A. Let's wait for it. Creating the instance right now. Let's wait for it. The instance will be created right now. So created the HTTP Google APIs, and this will create an SSH channel and may prompt you to create a RSA key pair. So to waiting for data lab to be reachable at HTTP localhost 8081. Let's wait for it. So what is the next step? Okay, let's go to that. Next we are going to create a notebook, and finally we are going to use a Git for source control. Okay, so first we have done, we are creating the network data lab network. Are we getting like that? So after entering this, creating the instance created. So let's wait for it, friends. It will take some time to do that. Data lab will take 5 to 10 minutes to set up. So go to the watch data loads and cloud video. It's building. Okay. Let's wait for it, friends. Actually, it will take a few minutes. So it will come like that. The connection to Datalab is now open and will remain until this command is killed. So like that we will get it. Let's wait for it. So if you are going to that if you are going to the navigation menu and click the navigation menu, go to the compute engine part. So here it will come now. So the Datalab instance will be, after created the Datalab instance, you can see it here. Yeah, if it is coming here, my Datalab, and the zone is US Central 1-A, and internal IP and external IP it came now. So now let's wait for it. Let me click this link. HTTP localhost could not connect to a server on port 881. Okay, actually we need to wait for some time, so that's what. I can't pause the video also, friends, so because I'm not using that kind of software, so I'm unable to pause that video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud Platform, friends. If you have not seen my previous video, you can see the previous video. I have uploaded more videos about the GCP. I am closing this window. Let's wait for it. Now we have successfully created the instance, but we are, see friends, we have successfully created the instance, but we are connecting to my data lab. So that's what it is performing right now. So let's wait for it. This will create an SSH channel and may not prompt you to create this. Waiting for Datalab to be reachable. See friends, now you can see the connection to Datalab is now open and will remain until the command is killed. You can connect to Datalab at HTTP. Yes, let's see this. We got this output, correct. Now what we need to do means we need to change the port to 8081. So already the port localhost which is in 8081 only, so no need to worry about it. So just click this, friends, just click this HTTP link, http localhost colon 8081. Just click that link. Here it has been opened right now. Next what we need to do means we have like this folder. So now we need to click this one. Actually I have already done this. No need to worry, friends, just I'm deleting because I already have done these things, so just deleting it. Okay, you will get like this, friends. Okay, then you will get like this, and after that what we have to do means we have to add a notebooks from the Datalab notebooks folder by clicking plus notebook symbol. So here if you are seeing, just click plus notebook symbol. Okay, plus symbol, you need to click that plus symbol and you have to create a notebook. So now we are creating a notebook. So how to create a notebook? So it will come like that only. After that we need to give the name. So here if you are seeing untitled notebook, here only we need to give the name. So what is the name I am giving means new notebook I am giving. New notebook, just untitled document. Just select this, just replace this name, just rename it, rename a notebook. Now the name has been changed, new notebook. After that what we need to do means we need to go to the from the kernel drop down, select Python 3. So here if you are seeing kernel Python 2 already, but we need to select Python 3. Now we can do whatever, we can type the following this code, just copy paste this code and enter it this notebook, and you can, and we can run the code by clicking the menu button to the left of the cell and then run. Okay, so here we can see like this 3 lines, just click this and here we can see run. We will get the output hello. We have successfully done that on select notebook, save and checkpoint or control to save the notebook. Notebooks are auto also saved. Okay, now we are going to save this. So here here we have the option notebooks. So here we have save and checkpoints. Here if you are seeing auto saved, previously unchanged something, but it is auto save right now. Done it. Then eighth step we are going to do, go back to Google Cloud Data Lab window and click the ungit icon to the notebooks. First to open the ungit on the content data lab notebooks repository. A browser window opens on the Cloud Data Lab VM. So where is that means, here we have that option. Just click this option. So here we need to click this option. It will open a new browser window. It will open a new browser window. We are going to click the ungit icon in the we have clicked this one, repository to open ungit content data lab notebook repo. So it has opened like this, friends. Content data lab notebooks, it has been opened right now. If you are seeing here, you can see this master. Now what I am going to do means, I am going to click the, we are going to click this commit. So before clicking this commit, what we have to do means, so here the commit, it's not enabled. So what I need to do means, I need to, if you are seeing here, title is new notebook commit. So now I need to put the title new. You can copy paste also from this new notebook. So here I have copy paste new notebook. Just enter the title new notebook. Now if you are seeing, commit is coming. So after, we need to click this commit. Now you can see it will come like that. And next what we need to do means, we need to, now you can see new notebook IPYNB, like that you will get that message. We will get that on. And then we should update, we should push to add, click push to add the changes to the data lab notebooks cloud remote repo. Okay, now what I'm going to do means, I need to click this plus symbol and sorry, I have done a mistake here. We need to click this master. Okay, we need to click this master, and here we can see push. Just click the push, so that we can add the changes to the data lab notebooks cloud remote repo. We have successfully done the lab, friends. We have successfully done the lab. So next step what we need to do means, we need to delete this data lab instance. So how to do that? Go to that console, and here you need to enter the command. So what command we need to enter means, just I am typing Ctrl+C, so that we can come out. Now I am going to data lab, create my data lab. So instead of create, just you need to replace with delete. That's it. Now we need to delete that instance, data lab instance, so that they won't charge. This Google will not charge. Data lab, delete my data lab. Let's wait for it. It will take some time. So then the corresponding notebook disk will not be deleted. So see, friends, it is coming like this. The corresponding notebooks disk will not be deleted. So first I need to delete this one. Actually I need to delete this notebooks also. Let's try to refresh it. I think it's not coming. Okay, actually connection has closed. Okay, actually I have entered that command, right? That's what it is coming like that. Okay, so enter that yes. Now the corresponding notebooks disk will not be deleted. Okay, we are now deleting our lab. If you are deleting that instance, definitely it will be deleted. The instance only will be deleted. The notebook will not be deleted. The notebook disk will not be deleted. We will check in our resources, then we will confirm it, friends. No need to worry about it. Deleting that instance. Now it is deleting. Let's wait for it. Just click refresh it here, whether the instance is deleting or not. Let's wait for it, friends. You can also do this demo, friends. You can also do this demo. We have successfully done the data lab today. Data lab demo today. We have done the data lab demo today. Let me refresh this page. Okay, so here you can see friends, persistent disk will not be deleted. Okay, so we need to delete manually. Let's wait for it. These two only we are talking about. My data lab, none. Okay, we need to delete these things manually. Persistent disk we need to delete because we didn't delete the notebooks, right? Here you can see this corresponding notebooks disk will not be deleted. Okay, so we didn't delete the notebook, so that's what we are getting this persistent disk. So we need to delete the persistent disk manually by selecting this. So just click refresh at the page. Now you can see this Datalab instance will be deleted. Okay, just refresh this page, instance will be deleted. Let me check in the disks also. So here if you are seeing my Datalab standard version 200 GB US central one, it has not been deleted, so I will be deleting this one also, my Datalab PD. So today, if it is coming today's date, then I have created today date is 19. Let's see. We are not getting the date. Persistent disk for Google Cloud Data Lab standard version US central. Okay, so first what we need to check it means here also we need to check if the persistent is created means we need to delete that one also friends. Persistent disk I have deleted manually, and you have to go to that home page, and here we can see under the resources you can see, so there are no resources. We have successfully done the cloud data lab demo today. Thanks a lot friends. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.